Hi guys, welcome to A2Techie channel. Today I am going to demonstrate a video on DHCP configuration. DHCP stands for the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and it is an application layer protocol which automatically provides IP address, a subnet mask, default gateway, DNS server, etc. to the client. So let's start the configuration on packet tracer. Just come to left bottom and click on the in device. Here you can see on screen, click on in device and select 3pc. Basically we want to check only on 3pc. You can select more than 3 or 4, anything you want. Just click on the pc and click on workstation. Just drag 3pc from the here, and also take one server to the workstation. To connect this PC through servers, we need a switch because server has only one port to connect. If we connect one device and we want to connect another one, then we cannot because it shows no available ports. Server has only one port to connect through device. So we need a switch to connect this server, because switch is multi-port device and it is used to connect multi device at a time in single LAN. So select a switch, just go to network device and select this switch to workstation. Okay, now connect these device through wires. So let's connect it through wires. PC0 to switch, PC1 to PC switch, PC2 to switch, and switch to server. Now everything is connected. Let's assume that the server has IP address 192.168.1.1, and we want to assign PC0 IP address, PC1 IP address, and PC2 IP address. So let's configure the first server. Just click on the server and go to desktop and click on IP configuration. First configure the server IP 192.168.1.1. Okay, subnet mask automatically taken by the packet tracer, and enter the default gateway as 192.168.1.0 and take DNS server 10.1.1.1. Now come to services, click on services and select the DHCP server. Click on DHCP, it is selected DHCP server. Basically it is in off mode. We have to first on the service of service of the server. Okay, just change the pool name as A2Techie and default gateway which we use in previous here 192.168.1.0. just enter the default gateway 192.168.1.0 and DNS server 10.1.1.1. the IP, it's showing the starting range of the IP 192.168.1.0 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. The next is the maximum number of users. You can enter how many users you are going to provide the DHCP IP configuration. Then here we are using only 3 PC, then enter 3. Now add this configuration in this pool name A2Techie. Click on add. The A2Techie pool name is created. Now save this pool. Just click on save. It's saved. Now close this window and open your first PC and go to desktop configuration and click on IP configuration. basically we when click on static, that means we are providing the manually IP, but we have to take from the DHCP server, then click on DHCP, and it requesting for IP address. Wait a while. Yeah, DHCP request successful. They allotted on PC first PC 192.168.1.2. Now do now do for the other PC also same thing, desktop IP configuration, and click on DHCP. It requested the IP address, and it get allotted 1.3. Same for the third PC, click on desktop IP configuration and click on DHCP. Yeah, DHCP request successfully 1.4. So now we provide the range of IP address is 3 from 0 to starting from 0, and maximum number of user is 3. So the first 1.1 is acquired by the server, and the next three 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 is allotted to the PC. Let's check the IP configuration of the PC. Just click on PC and go to command prompt and give a command ipconfig and just enter. Okay, then this PC has the IP address 192.168.1.2. For the last PC, means third PC, just go to the command prompt and give the command ipconfig and enter. Yeah, this PC has 1.4. Okay, so that's it in this tutorial, and thank you. If you like this video, then please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.